Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel, Emmanuel Editors. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress inside your local host, how to create localhost and install WordPress inside of it. So what is localhost? Localhost is a form of hosting whereby you are able to install WordPress and be able to design websites on your system, just like you install Microsoft Word, you install CorelDRAW on your PC and only you can see it on your PC. So they call it local because it's just on your PC, it's not live. So now I'm going to show you how to create a local host and install WordPress inside it and get started with your website on WordPress through the dashboard. So now first of all, what do you need? You need to download two applications that are very important. So the first one is Xampp and the second one is WordPress. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back once again. So now we are going to be dealing with two apps, very important app, which is the WordPress folder itself, and the other part is the Xampp itself. So now if you want to download the WordPress, just go to wordpress.org and here you will see get WordPress. So once you click on get WordPress, it's going to take us to where we can download it. So you just scroll down. So you can see this is the latest WordPress version. Download WordPress 6.02. So once you click on download, it's going to download. But I already downloaded it, so I won't be doing that. But you just go right and download it, and it will be inside your PC. So now, if you want to download Xampp, you come here and type Xampp download. You open this first one in a new tab. Download Xampp Apache French. So when I open the new tab, it brought me here. So if you are using Windows, you can go for download 64-bit. This is the latest version, 64-bit. If you are using Linux, you just scroll down and download the latest version. If you are using Mac, you download the latest version. So whether you are using Mac, you are using Linux or Windows, it's compatible with your system and you are good to go. So after you click download, it's going to download inside your system. I already downloaded it, so I won't be downloading it again. So so this is my desktop. I created a folder called localhost setup. So I already download Xampp and you can see my WordPress 6.02. First of all, when you download it, you download in the zip form. So you need what we call WinRAR. WinRAR is an application that helps you extract files from zip form. So now when you have WinRAR, you'll be able to extract this file. So if you want to extract, just right click it. Once you right click, it's going to give you options. So just click extract file. So once you click extract file, it's going to extract this file for you as a folder. So the actual content we need is within this folder. So now we go straight to installing this Xampp application. So you double click on it. So it's loading already. So it's going to pop up something like this saying important because an activated user account control. So just click OK. So just click OK and it's going to continue. So now you click next. So now you don't need all these applications, all these so just unclick. No, you need MySQL, you need FileZilla, you don't need Mercury, you don't need Tomcat, you don't need Perl, you need PHP, you don't need WebZilla, and you don't need FixSendMe. So you just need MySQL, FileZilla FTP server, you need PHP by admin. So these are the things you need. So after this, you click next. So now automatically it's going to install inside the local disk and Xampp. So you just click next. Okay, it's asking us to select a folder. So now you can go ahead and select a folder. So it's going to populate. So let me just go straight to, okay, let me cancel this. Let's create another folder called new Xampp. So because I already installed Xampp before, so I need to override the existing one. So you can just name your own anything slash, you can put your name, you can put your website you want to create the name. So I'll put new Xampp. So I'll click next. So it's going to bring you here. Just click next. Click next. Now you need to unlink this one instead because it just take it to the browser. So unlink this. click next, click next. So it has started preparing installation, packing the file. So it's going to take just some couple of seconds to minutes before it finally install. So you can just relax back and take a sip, coffee, and just take a little walk around and come back, and you see that it's installed already. Okay, so our Xampp has installed finished. So do you want to start control panel? So leave it as check marked. So we'll click finish. It's going to open the app itself. Okay, so let me enlarge it for you to see. So now this is our Xampp control panel. So this is like where we are going to be controlling our Xampp application from. So first you have to start these two ports, Apache and MySQL. So you click on start the first one. So it's going to populate their numbers for the ports as well. So you allow access. So because Windows Defender Firewall try to prevent some activities probably that has to do with connection to your system, so just allow access. So you have to start MySQL, just click start here. So it's going to populate their numbers as well. So click on allow access. Good. So now you click on this admin. So it's going to take us to the website URL for the PHP my admin. So let's click this. So it's going to take us to the URL. So it's loading already. Okay, so you can see localhost/php my admin. So this is like the web hosting for our website. You know, when it's a live server, it's like this form, but because we are dealing with localhost, that's why you can see localhost/php my admin. So what are you going to do here? You are going to go to databases, click on databases. So you create a new database for your website you want to build on localhost. So let me name it, let's say T-Tech, or let me say T-Techie. So remember your database name. So we are going to need it T-Techie, so you can give your any name. So once you are done, just click create. So you can see by the side T-Techie. So that's the name I want to give my website. So you can give yours any name. So after this, what we do, so minimize this. So you go to the folder for our Xampp. So let's go from localhost. You click on local disk. So you go to your Xampp. You see this new Xampp, you click on new Xampp. You click on htdoc. The reason why I click on new Xampp because I saved my Xampp, the latest one I downloaded under new Xampp. So let's say if yours is the first time of using Xampp, you just go from Xampp to from Xampp it's gonna take you to here. So you won't pass through new Xampp, but because I've installed Xampp before, so I needed to direct it to another place. So just click on htdocs. So inside htdocs you now create a new folder. So you create a new folder and name it the database name we use. So we use T-Techie. So you're going to name, or remember, from local disk to your Xampp to your htdocs. The reason why mine is having new Xampp is because I have to install my Xampp inside another folder called new Xampp. But in case of your own, from Xampp you see option to pick htdocs, and inside htdocs you create a new folder and give it the name of the database you created. Now inside this T-Techie we are going to paste all the WordPress folder. So let me go back to the WordPress folder. Let me see. Okay, let me go back to, I saved it under my desktop, local setup. Click here. So can remember we downloaded WordPress file, so this way we are going to be needing it. So open up the file after you've extracted it. Open up this. Now you have to highlight everything. So you make sure you copy everything. You copy everything from wadmin to this place. So what will I do? I'll go back to my local disk again. Click on Xampp. click on Xampp, click on htdocs, and ttechie, the name of our database we created. You open it up and you paste all the file there. So we've copied all the folder inside the WordPress from the WordPress zip file and pasted it inside the ttechie folder we created inside our Xampp. So now after this is done, minimize this, go back to the browser. So you open another tab here and call it localhost. So just type localhost / the name of the folder, ttechie, the name of the folder and the database created, ttechie. So just localhost / the name you use to create your database, which you also use for the folder. So you enter. So it's going to load another page shortly. I believe you should have this type of page. Provided you follow the steps to this point, you should be on the same page. So I'll leave mine as United States English, so I'll just click continue. So you ask to fill all this stuff, so just click let's go. So here, the name of the database that we created, remember I used ttechie, so make sure you use the name you created for your own. Now at this username, you are going to remove and put roots. Make sure you put roots. Don't put any other username or the username you desire to use, because after this page we are still going to go to the page whereby you set the username and the password for your WordPress dashboard. So this is just like a configuration before you go to the last stage. So for password, delete everything and make it blank. So don't put anything in a password. Follow what I did. Database name, your own database name you created. Password, put root. Username, put root. Password, don't put anything. So our database host is localhost, so leave it like that. Table prefix, leave it like that. So if you've done this, so just click submit. So you can see all rights package, you've made it through. So we've successfully configured our part. So what do we do next? We run the installation. So we are now going to go and create the site title exactly. You need to give your site a title. This is where you create your username for the dashboard of your website. You set your password, you put your email. So let me see, my own site title is ttechie digitals. So let's say my username is you can name your own another username, ttechie. So you can give you any. Let's say I want to use this password. I love it. I want my password to be strong. So here you have to pick your email address. So I choose one of my email address. So now I think I'm done. So site title, username, ttechie, strong. So I use the password you suggested. So you can change the password and put your own. So put your email here, double check your email address. So don't click on this, because even though you click on it, it's not going to work, because it's not your site is not live, it's still on your PC. So you're going to click install WordPress. So it's going to. So I always love to save my password with Google. So let me save my password. So WordPress admin install. Thank you, I enjoy. So you can see my username. So my chosen password. So if I click login, so it's going to take me to where I want to input my details. So the password you provided will be this, because I've saved mine. In case you didn't save yours, just type your password here. You can see my username ttechie. So if I click login, it's going to take me straight to my WordPress dashboard inside my localhost. So you can begin to design any type of website using themes, plugins, and some other functionality. So you can see, welcome to WordPress 6.02. So this is the latest version of the WordPress, so you can just dismiss this. So you can see your dashboard, home, post, media page, appearance, plugin. So in case you want to see what's on your site, so you can just open a new tab. So automatically is the default WordPress 2022 that will be installed there. So this is the default WordPress 2022. So once you start designing, you change the theme by going to appearance, you install plugins and some other functionality. Your site will look more attractive and more professional than this. So thank you for following me to this junction. So I would like you to subscribe if you get value from this video, I would like you to like and share with your friends. Probably you have some friends that are interested in learning this, so let me share with them. Like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest videos, and you can get more useful information that can help you in your web development career. So thank you, I really appreciate. Have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next video.